Hey guys, so I have another tutorial for you today. I hope you can sit back, relax, and enjoy. All the products I will be using today are on the affordable side, very much so. Each and every product will be listed in the description box, so if you want to verify anything, I got you. Please check down there. So next I'm gonna go in with my concealer from LA Girl in the shade Fawn, just to clean up under my brows. I did say that I will be having a detailed brow tutorial coming up, guys, and I promise you I will, so stay tuned for that. All these products that I will be using are definitely affordable, a must-have if you want to get glam on a budget. I recommend every single one of them because I use them myself, mostly on a day-to-day basis or whenever I get my face beat. So I'm now going in with my e.l.f. concealer just to prime my eyes before I apply any eyeshadow. So I know I look really weird right now, okay? Anyways, this is the palette that I'm using today. It's from Nicka K and it's called Mocha Mix. I think Ruby Kisses has a few palettes similar to these, but I picked up this at the beauty supply store. As you can see, some of the shades look pretty jacked up because it fell. I'm very clumsy and I tried to put them back together because I was not going to buy a new one. I haven't even touched these as yet. I'll be going in with these 3 shades, which I did change later on, guys, and I'm so glad that I did because this look came out so bomb. Guys, so the liner I will be going in with today is from NYX. The lashes are from Absolute New York in the shade Demeter. And the mascara is from Kiss New York. Guys, so be very careful when you're going in with mascara. Don't be like me. This is why I choose to do my eyes first with every makeup application. Yes, I know that it's faster, but I know I can be very clumsy sometimes, so I do my eyes first. You can do whatever you feel comfortable with. You can do you, honey. So this is the finished look on the eyes. I absolutely love how this eyeshadow came out. This palette is extremely pigmented. Trust me. Now to move on to the face. So this Super Stay foundation is in the shade 355. I know it looks a bit off on camera, but after it oxidizes, it'll be totally fine. So I'll be going in again with my concealer from LA Girl Cosmetics in the shade Fawn just to highlight my face, using a damp beauty blender to blend that out, and then going over it with my foundation brush to smooth out any harsh edges. So I'm now going into set. I'm going to use my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I know it's almost done, but I really love this setting powder because I do want under my eyes to have a brighter look. So I will be using that setting powder, lightly setting, just basically pressing the powder into my skin. Next, I'll be going in with this Milani compact powder in the shade Warm, just to set the areas of my face which I did not apply any setting powder to. I'm going in with my gel liner from Ruby Kisses in the shade Black and applying this to my waterline. I'm very sorry guys, I kind of went out of camera to do this step after I'm just smoking out my bottom liner with my transition shade from the same palette. Then I'm gonna go in with my palette from Absolute New York just to contour and lightly bronze my face. I'm going in now to apply some setting spray to my face. It's from Ruby Kisses, and then going ahead to apply some blush to the apples of my cheeks. So yes guys, I am going in with that eyeshadow shade as blush. We are going to be very versatile with our makeup on this channel. Very versatile. So bam, I'm going in with my ColourPop highlighter, guys. I love this product so much. It has so much in the container. I'm basically just using what's in the lid to highlight my face. This highlighter has lasted me a very long time, like a very, very long time. So onto my lips, I'm going in with the lipstick from J2 in the shade Brown Sugar, and then topping that off with a gloss, a beautiful diamond gloss from Nicka K in the shade Beauteous. Okay, so I had to go in on top of that lip gloss with Pink Cosmo from Elf Cosmetics. I absolutely love that lip gloss. It's so freaking yummy. And this would be the final look, guys. I absolutely love how this makeup look came out, guys, and if you do as well, leave something down in the comment section so I can know how you feel about this look. Like I said, all these products are very affordable, especially if you're on a budget. You can definitely work with these products. If you did like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be coming back with more videos. See you in the next one. Mwah.